Long ago, in a small town, there lived three curious kids: Aarav, Meera and Kavin. They loved playing games, climbing trees and inventing stories. One day, while exploring their grandmother's attic, they found a dusty old box. Inside lay a shiny blue phone with a tiny screen and buttons, a Nokia 3310. Kavin said, "Whoa! It has buttons." "Wow, what is this?" Meera asked, pressing the buttons. The phone lit up, and suddenly a cheerful beep beep sound filled the room. To their surprise, the phone speaks. "Hello, kids. I'm Nokia. Strong, smart, and full of games." Kids jump with excitement. The children ask if Nokia can play with them. Nokia said, "Of course, let's start with my favourite, Snake." Inside the snake game world, Aarav is the snake's head. Meera guides the tail. Kavin collects dots. Together they enter the magical snake game. Unbreakable teamwork. Kids laughing, Nokia glowing happily, and said, "After hours of fun, Nokia shares a gentle lesson. Old things carry stories and strength. Treasure them, just like grandparents." Kids hugging Nokia, calling it their unbreakable friend. From that day, Nokia became their timeless companion. Unbreakable forever. Subscribe and follow along. New adventures are about to begin.